Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to editing the task on Gantt in Microsoft Project. Okay, so basically when you are using Microsoft Project to create the project plan, we have two types of view. The first one on the left hand you can see the task list, and on the right hand you can see the task in the Gantt. And today in this going ahead to edit the task in the task list, I will guide you how to do some modification or some the updating for the task in the Gantt chart. Okay, so now let's get started. And assuming this is the Microsoft project planning I will be using for my project. Okay, and you see here on the left hand, as I mentioned before, this is a task list of the project plan. And on the right hand here, there are the Gantt chart. It will display the progress of the task in the project. Okay, so here, for example, if I want to change some tasks, the task number 3 here, set up working environments from 3 days to 5 days. Yeah. So here I can just go ahead to update the data in task list by tying in the 5 days. Yeah. Okay. So here I will back to previous version. Okay. So in case you don't want to do some manually updates in the task list and you want to just update it in the Gantt chart, so how to do it? Okay, here, firstly, because you want to update the duration for task number 3, setup working environment. Okay, firstly, you need to select this one. Yeah, and then in the Gantt chart, you hover. Yeah, when you hover to the task, you can see some the information of the task in the tooltip. Yeah, you can see here this have the task name, setup working environment, and we have a task start date, finish date, and also the information of duration. Yeah, okay. So when you hover it here, if you see the four corner of the arrow here, that means you are able to do some the moving the task, yeah, by changing some the position of the task on the Gantt chart. Okay, so for example, let okay, hang on, let me change the view for okay, so it is the day already. Okay, so for example, if you see this one, the task will be start on still day. Okay, but in case if you want to change the start date duration, you can hover to this one and thus and press the left and press the left on the left mouse button, and then you hold and just move to change the position of the task on the Gantt chart. Okay, you can also see it. Okay, sorry. You can also see it in the pop-up. You see here when you change the position of the task, you can see that the start date and finish date will be changed as well. Okay. Okay, so here, for example, I will change the start date from 2 days to 1 days. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, and then you see the task having changes from the 2 days to 1 days. Okay. Okay, so here for this task we have just updated the start date. Okay, and in case I don't want to change the start date and just want to increase the duration to complete this task, so how to do it? Okay, you still need to hover on the tab. Yeah, but in this display the four arrows here, you should make it display only one arrow. This is the next, is still the next arrow. Okay, and then just drop it. Okay, and you see here, for now only the finish date will be changed, and also the duration will be increased as well. Okay, 5 days. Okay, so we have just changed the duration of the task from 3 days to 5 days. Okay, you can do the same thing with other tasks in this project. Okay, So here, for example, for develop project chapter here, the task number 8, and then I will do the same thing. I will increase the duration of the task from 5 days to 8 days. Okay. Okay. And okay. Yeah. So, for example, when you do some the moving the task, you can see if there are some the impact into the current project timeline. So it will display some the warning message. The planning why just pop up here. Yeah. So after that, you should take a look into the message and some the option on the pop up, and then you should select the appropriate option here in the pop up. Okay, so here, for example, in for this task, when I do some moving and changing the position of this task, it will be have some the impact into project timeline, and I will select the option number 1 by just moving the task from the start on Wednesday and move the task to start on Wednesday. Yeah, so we will change the start date from Tuesday to Wednesday. Okay, and then we will remove the link. Okay, click on OK button here, and after that, when you click on OK button, so the task will be refreshed on the Gantt chart immediately. Okay, cool. So here, actually, we can do everything on the Gantt chart. It should be the same when we are working on the task list on the left hand side. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to do some modification, customization for the task on the Gantt chart, and you can base on that to do some the other customization for each task in the project. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye, and see you guys in the next video.